Yeah. Okay, this is a new poem. I haven't performed in a while, so please love it. It's called Break Up with Music. Keeping my ear close to your bass lines, imagining purple hyacinths in adagio along pale breasts in goosebumps, and whispering lover words. I couldn't sleep without you, music. As if there were no other chest you could live in, the only space you found breath, you looped my mind in choruses, versed me with depth of your mother, of your father, of your revolution, of our future. Clinging cobwebs that made me believe in the invisible, in the wind, in God, in love. Our lips are tectonic plates causing earthquakes with every kiss. I bought into your cover art, fighting fists that rest in my arms and undeliverable promises. Opening with moons falling out of orbit if ever you missed a moment of my wake. Next, seeing you on bended knees say, we are destined to intertwine together into a cosmic line tracing back to the dust of our universe. We are creation. Yet you existed only in my sorrows. I cried into your rhythm and blues, neo-soul, hip-hop, electronica, secure in the stability of your measures, assured by your selfless heartbeat. But this disease, this codependency, is sucking the juice out of blackberries in summer's June. I can't be the lucky lady on your top 40 hit knowing I was never your lady at all. I meditate on my pride. I can't suspend my sanity on your symphonies. I can't love you the way you want me to or the way you love me because I don't know how to. How to breathe on my own, how to love my own, how to live on my own, and how to grow my fruit and eat it too. I want to beat orgasms, staccatos, naked candlelight in my chest and live there without you. Thank you.